Unami Middle School had the privilege to visit Lampire Biological Laboratories, where we saw scientists and animals come together to change the manufacturing industry.
Lampire is a biotech lab and farm system that uses the help of animal DNA to specialize in custom polyclonal and monoclonal antibody development. Lampire does so much more as well. There are 6 different types of sites in PA.
What we're doing is we're utilizing the animals to get individual cells. So it starts with this little teeny tiny cell from this big animal. And we take those individual cells and we analyze those to see if they hold the key to making either a therapeutic or a vaccine, something that can be used for human health worldwide.
Bleeding is the process where farmers retrieve blood from the jugular veins of an animal. They slowly extract the blood from the vein and store it in containers. This blood is later then transported to the lab where it will be separated, studied, and made into various biomedical products.
All right, guys, go look at some cows.
Lampire is home to many animals. Some of these animals are geese, horses, and cows. Over 20 species are located throughout the sites. As you can see, animals are a crucial part of Lampire.
Lampire is dedicated to consistent quality, and customer satisfaction is at the heart of every step they take. They store the future of medicine in this nitrogen storage to maintain the quality of the blood and cells.
So we've produced monoclonals and polyclonal antibodies. This goes into diagnostic kits and everyday lives.
I love that we are investigating new technologies and developing new drugs for patients. We put the blood into a polyclonal, and in this case we are going to use to isolate these cells. We need a gel, and what it does is basically helps us to isolate the B cells. So all the cells are going to the stream, and if you see these metal plates, we can charge them. So as soon as one cell approaches the laser, we can charge these metal plates.
What's so cool about manufacturing here at Lampire?
Discovery.
Research.
Product.
Quality.
Family.
Innovation.
Education.
Satisfaction. Life.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.